We're Team Juice, and this is our ASCM Case competition submission. So Juice Perfect is a California-based manufacturing company that has 6 different plants all around the U.S. Recently, they have lost quite a bit of their market share due to inability to meet the market demand. Their manufacturing process is divided into 2 parts, production and filling and packaging. So we are on a mission to help Juice Perfect improve their business operations to better serve their customers. So in order to improve across the entire company, we must use internal performance metrics to identify the worst performing plants in their network, uncover pain points within the plant's filling and packaging line, recommend improvement strategies, and then develop KPIs for each plant. So identifying the worst plant. Out of all the 6 plants, the plant located in Florida seems to be performing the worst. All 6 plants have a higher downtime than planned, but the Florida manufacturing plant has the highest percentage of unplanned downtime. Their MTBF, mean time between failures, is 30 minutes. So on average, the Florida plant breaks down every 5 hours. The Georgia plant also has quite a bit of high unplanned downtime, but the Georgia plant is responsible for the highest amount of production. Therefore, it's crucial that this plant should perform well. So for lowering downtime, calculating the cost of the downtime, calculating and estimating the monetary losses is essential to understand the issue. Preventative measures, Juice Perfect needs to develop an asset management program where production managers are assigned to process lines and can transfer and manage workflow. Predictive maintenance, to install low-cost sensors to detect and prevent problems can reduce the downtime. Increasing the safety stock for machine parts, so the leading cause of incomplete maintenance is the lack of the machine parts. For the filling and packaging line, first the raw materials are procured, then they're sorted and processed. They're staged to the packaging lines, filled into containers and sealed, and then they're packed and shipped. So the filling and packaging lines operate independently from the other production processes, which leads to lower oversight.
Alright, so the problem areas in filling and packaging issues that were detected are lack of communications between departments, as she mentioned that some teams are separate. Major shortage of packaging supplies, especially bottles, that leads to failure to produce finished goods, large amounts of products left in yard, and lack of organization, misplaced products, delays in staging, not receiving them in the system and such. All of that leads to not being able to keep up with the demand. So the bottle problem, we only are meeting 87% of the demand due to being short on juice bottles. The several issues we have detected, a large amount of bottles that make it to the warehouse and left sitting in the yard. No accurate system in place that helps calculate optimal order amounts. Some bottles orders are not in full, random arrival date patterns, many bottle shipments become misplaced in the warehouse due to poor warehouse optimization, staff shortage, poor staff training. So we recommend using lean methodology, which is a low-cost improvements, such as Poka-Yoka, which is mistake proofing. We have noticed that a lot of products get misplaced, and our raw materials and our finished goods are stored in the same building, and maybe that's the reason they get mixed up. So we recommend maybe putting a division wall or some sort of dividing or separation between the departments. So improving operations, the main pain areas that we have discovered are lack of communication between different departments, inventory problems, inadequate order quantities, and shortage overflow from materials, and of course shortage of labor. So we recommend improving communications between departments. We recommend improving inventory optimization, optimizing the inventory so we avoid stockouts and overstocks, inventory management, using better practices in demand forecasts and such. Procurement, we recommend renegotiating higher supplier contracts to get all the orders in full and on time, better warehouse operations, and labor optimization. And we believe if all those areas get improved, we'll have the business work better. Thank you so much.